Hi Lamia, today's exam, so let's practice.
Okay.
So what is common noun?
Common noun is a general name, place of thing.
Can I ask you some question?
Yes.
Okay, the dog is barking loudly.
Dog. The common noun is a dog.
I have a new book to read.
A new book. The common noun is a book. Can I ask some question?
Yes.
The teacher is very kind.
In the sentence, teacher is a common noun.
We went to the market yesterday.
In this sentence, market is a common noun. Very good. On the best for your exam.
Very good on the base for exam.
Best of luck.
Best of luck. Bye.
Bye.